Welcome to Giggle Garden. Today we're going to play a super fun game. Guess the animal sound. Can you guess the animals just by listening to their sounds?
Let's get started.
Here comes the first animal. Listen carefully. Did you guess? It's a moo moo. That's right, a cow. Moo moo. Great job. Ready for the next one? Okay, here's the next animal. What sound does this one make? Quack, quack. That's right, it's a duck. Quack, quack. Now listen closely to